Let us continue with the application layer protocols. In this lecture, we are going to see HTTPS, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. A more secure version of HTTP is HTTPS. But before learning HTTPS, we should learn what is SSL. SSL secures connections between two computers. Each time a pair of computers want to connect securely, they will agree on an encryption key. This key is created randomly for each connection. In simple terms, SSL, which is Secure Sockets Layer, is one of the security technology which is used to establish a secure connection between web server and web browser. This secured link is in encrypted format, so it assures users that data which is passed between this link means web server and browser is private and original. SSL is an industry standard protocol which is used by several websites for protecting their online transactions with their customers. Essentially, an SSL certificate is a sign of trust displayed between your website. If your website has an online store and requires card payments, an SSL certificate is like a digital handshake between your site and theirs. This sign of trust allows your site to process their card payments securely. Google now requires all e-commerce websites to install an SSL certificate to ensure maximum safety. Google is even blacklisting certain sites that do not carry SSL certificates and lowers their Google ranking. SSL certificates, thankfully, can be found for free from Let's Encrypt. Let's Encrypt is a Google-sponsored initiative to provide SSL certificates freely. Coming back to HTTPS. HTTPS encrypts all the information that is sent and received. This can stop malicious users such as hackers from stealing the information and is often used on payment websites. HTTPS refers to the combination of HTTP and SSL to implement secure communication between a web browser and a web server. The HTTPS capability is built into all modern web browsers. The principal difference seen by user of a web browser is that in the URL, the address begins with https:// unlike http://. If HTTPS is specified, port 443 is used, which invokes SSL. When HTTPS is used, the following elements of communication are encrypted. First, the URL of requested document. Then, contents of document, contents of browser forms, cookies sent from browser to server and from server to browser. And last, the contents of HTTP header. Consider a scenario. In first case, you send a message to a friend via a mutual friend. Your friend receives the message and may respond back if needed. This is HTTP. Here someone can recover the message in the way from that mutual friend by some means like blackmailing or even gun pointing. Consider second case. You send the same message to a friend through the same mutual friend, but this time your mutual friend is being accompanied by the bodyguards and gunmen. That is the SSL encryption, which will only allow your friend to receive the message. Your friend receives the message and may respond. This is HTTPS. Here it is next to impossible to recover the message in any way, or simply eavesdropping is not possible due to bodyguards. Simply, HTTPS means that the requests made to the website are encrypted and cannot be decrypted unless the proper key is used, so as to prevent attacks like eavesdropping and man in the middle. Let's move on to advantages of HTTPS. In most cases, sites running over HTTPS will have a redirect in place. Therefore, even if you type in http://, it will redirect to an HTTPS over a secured connection. More secure than HTTP, obviously, because encryption is accompanied by HTTPS. SSL technology protects any user and builds trust, like I said in the real life example, like bodyguards. Each SSL certificate contains unique, authenticated information about the certificate owner. Now, let us have a quick recap of what we learned in this lecture. We started with SSL, then we moved forward to HTTPS. Then we took a real life scenario and explained the difference between HTTP and HTTPS, and thereby concluded with advantages of HTTPS.